These are Luna and Juno, and they have a bad habit of sucking on their thumbs. They literally suck on their thumbs. Paw sucking is something that some kittens experience. It's usually okay as long as they're not hurting their own paws, and so far these guys are not hurting each other or hurting their own paws, but they get a little obsessive about it. They're very single-minded about it once they start sucking. Like if I try and stop them, they'll just keep going back. They just love sucking their paws. They're purring. They're so happy. Oh, just like kids, kittens can suck their thumbs.